Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to react to a post that you see on your Facebook app. So, unless you don't know this already, Facebook has created a new way that you can do more than just click the like button. You can also add your own reactions to posts that people make. Okay, so to show you that, let's open up the Facebook app, and I'll go to my timeline. As you can see, this is a post made by Kevin Hart. If I want to react to it, I'll tap and hold the like button. As you can see, it's on the bottom right corner, like the like button right there. So I'll tap it and hold it. And what that does is give me more option besides just liking. So I can just like it like normal, or I can also like love it, laugh at it, wow, I don't know how to say that, or be sad or be angry about it. So it gives you more reaction besides just liking a post. And just select one of those and let go. And there you go. I've reacted to this post. That's how you react to a post. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.